Bika.ai doesn't just support 50+ triggers and actions. It also supports running scripts like Python, automatically fetching the data you need, and writing it to your data tables, effectively giving you unlimited actions. We will demonstrate Bika.ai's powerful automation capabilities with an example of automatically fetching exchange rate data to efficiently manage various types of data. First, go to Bika.ai in your browser, log in, and go to the Template Center. Find the Automated Currency Data Retrieval Python template and click the Install button. Open the template, read the instructions, click Next, and you'll be prompted with a beginner task. Click on the task and then click Complete to skip it. Now, enter the exchange rate data table. Here, you'll see the latest exchange rate data automatically fetched every day. Click on the 7 days FX rate recap view. Our automation report is based on this view's data. Go to the Currency Automation Settings page. The template has already set up automation for automatically fetching exchange rate data and sending daily exchange rate reports. Let's test the automation. Simply click Run Now, and the system will immediately execute the task, display the latest exchange rate data in the exchange rate data table, and instantly send the exchange rate report. If you like this automation, find it in the video description below. If you've got any questions or want to dive deeper into Bika's automation features, drop a comment below. Let's chat.